How to fix your MacBook is not finding Bluetooth devices. So if you're unable to connect to Bluetooth or you can't find a Bluetooth device, then I'll show you a few ways on how to go and solve this. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand side of your screen, and then click on System Settings. You can then click on Bluetooth from the left-hand side, and then try turning off your Bluetooth for 20 seconds, and then go and turn your Bluetooth back on. Now down below, you'll see all of the devices that you've previously connected to. So if you see your device from the list, go and click on the information button next to it, click on forget this device, and just press the forget device button. Now once it's been forgotten, you can come down to nearby devices, and then you can select your device to go and reconnect to the Bluetooth. If it's still not showing up, make sure your device is in Bluetooth pairing mode. So if you're trying to connect something like some AirPods or some speakers, there'll usually be a button on your device that you'll need to go and press, and this basically places the device in Bluetooth pairing mode, and once it's in the pairing mode, it should show up in the nearby devices. Now if it's not working, come down on the left hand side and click on General, click on Software Update, and make sure your MacBook is fully up to date. So if there's any updates available, make sure to go and install these now, as this can oftentimes also include software fixes for your Mac. Now once you've done this, you'll just need to go and restart your computer, and you should then be able to connect your Bluetooth devices.